Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my creamy chipotle potato salad. Okay, so these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some boiled potatoes. I cooked those for about, I think it was like 20-25 minutes or so, just in some water with salt, and that's it. And then I have some celery, some scallions, some black olives, soaked cashews, garlic, chipotle and adobo, some lemon. So we're going to be using some lemon juice. You can use Dijon mustard, or I have some stone ground mustard. I have some olive oil, and that's optional. If you don't want to do any oil, you can leave that out and just add some water. And I have some ground cumin, salt, and pepper. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to make the sauce for this. And you can play around with the sauce with the measurements in case you want to make a little bit more, if you think it needs a little bit more or less, okay? And I have 1/3 of a cup of soaked cashews. I have 1 small chile chipotle en adobo. And if you think this is too much, start with half of it. I have 1 humongous clove of garlic. I have half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of the mustard. And again, any of these ingredients, if you don't like any of them, or some of them, you can leave them out. Okay, and some black pepper and a pinch of ground cumin. This is to your taste. And some salt. I'm going to start with half a teaspoon of salt. And again, like I said, if you want to add a little bit of oil, you can go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, or you can leave it out completely. And I have half a cup of water. Let's see. I'm going to just use that amount. I'm going to blend this up and see how it goes, if it needs anything else, okay? Okay, so here is the sauce. Okay, it's a beautiful color. It's gorgeous. And I ended up adding a little bit of everything, pretty much. A little bit more garlic, a little more mustard, pepper, half a chile chipotle more, and what else? Oh, and I added the zest of like half of the lemon. And that made it taste really good. Okay, and a little bit more water. And the other thing that I was going to say is that it would probably be a good idea to use the water that you use to cook your potatoes in, so that way it might have a little bit more flavor. I just thought about it right now. So anyways, so you can use regular water or the water from the potatoes. Okay, and here is the sauce. And I was just going to tell you that you can use this sauce for pretty much anything. I use it to put it like on my burgers instead of mayonnaise, or you can make some pasta. The other thing that I do sometimes as well is for this potato salad, sometimes I'll do a little bit of like macaroni pasta, and I'll do maybe half of the potato, half the amount of pasta, and I'll add it to that as well. So you just cook it as normal, you strain it really well, and then you just put it in the mix as well. And you just mix everything together, and it tastes really good. So I've done it with bow tie pasta, like macaroni pasta, I think even like penne pasta, I've done it also. So you can play around with the recipe, but this is a really awesome sauce for you guys if you want to try it out with other things, okay? The other thing that I was going to tell you, in case you don't want to make it with cashews, you can do maybe like a few tablespoons of the just mayo and another few tablespoons of the tofu sour cream. That way it'll give you that creamy consistency in case you don't want to use the cashews. And then the other thing that I forgot is that instead of using water to make your sauce, you can add some unsweetened soy milk or almond milk or any type of milk that you guys like or use for your cooking. So you can do that instead. That way it'll even be a little bit more creamier. Okay? So those are a couple options for you. So now we're just going to mix all the ingredients. Here I have my potatoes, and I have about half a cup of finely minced or chopped celery, and some about half a cup of green onions and about a third of a cup or so of black olives. But you can use any type of olives that you like. And we're just going to, you can use more or less. Yeah, I'll use the whole thing. Let's see. You can always add. Okay, and here we have our sauce. Ah, it looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to dig in. So this is perfect now that spring is coming. Beautiful. And the best thing is that you don't have to worry about it being outside because there's no dairy in there. So it can stay at room temperature, it's delicious, or cold. Any which way you wish to eat this. So I think the sauce was perfect, the amount that we did. I think that was perfect. But like I said, if you like it a little bit more saucy, you can just add a little bit more sauce or make more. Oh my god. This is so good. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. I even got a little fancy for you. I put some, little bit more of scallions and some chopped cilantro, a little bit of chopped cilantro, so it tasted really good with the cilantro also. It's a great combination with the chipotle and the celery and everything in there. So I hope you guys give this one a try. It is so fabulous. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. This is so good. Oh yeah. Oops. It's amazing. I hope you guys give this a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I think that's it. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.